Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you these beautiful and trendy shoes. I will send them for review. So these shoes will be great for your vacation time, or you can wear them summertime. This is how it's look like. It's very soft material, so comfy. It's anti-slip bottom. Alright, let me try it. Alright, so it's very easy to put them on. Fits perfectly. I'm 7.5 size. This is how it's look like, so stylish, very comfortable inside. I'll show you how it's look like with my dress. Beautiful. I love this cute design, lightweight, suitable with any clothes. I love how it's look like with my dress. So if you're looking for cool summer shoes for yourself or as a present, this is the perfect one. Great quality, lightweight, soft inside, and comfortable. And looks so stylish. Overall, guys, I will definitely recommend you to buy these beautiful shoes. Great material, beautiful design, and I love the quality. You can find them on Amazon.